Today we are about to get started doing some vinyl flooring in this big room here. As you know, we deal with vinyl flooring. That's what our business does, installations, stairs, all that kind of good stuff. Today we are using LifeProof brand vinyl. This is an 8-inch thick vinyl, nice and thick, nice and sturdy, waterproof. We are going down onto a concrete subfloor. So maybe you're going to see in the installation how we're going to handle that. We have 2 transitions onto vinyl, so we're going to be covering that as well. And currently the trims are still on, so we're going to have to be pulling those off and reinstalling those afterwards. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. We're going to post lots of videos that show you exactly how to do this if you are taking on your own project. Currently, we are using the Pro Dusk Cherry color. It's absolutely beautiful, a nice neutral. So if you like the end result, this is what you are looking for here. We also have a sliding door that we're going to be dealing with. And so you're going to see in the installation how we're going to be handling that. So everything from your starting row to your transition pieces here that we're going to use to go that match the color that are going to be used to go from the vinyl flooring onto the tile in our doorways, both to the main area and to the bathroom. You're going to see it all in the video. So please make sure to hit that like button and come back in a few days and see all of the steps of how to do it. And hit that subscribe button so that you get notified as soon as it comes up. See you in the next video.